right, I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're gonna be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we gonna get them?
Landscape debris piles.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're gonna sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. And Teddy and I, once again, got up early. I don't know if you can see it, but the stars are still shining, but we've got to get going because someone else is out to get the plants. Who is it?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris trucks. They'll come along and crush up all of the plants if we don't get to them first. So we're gonna get going down the road and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good.
Yep.
All right, we just came across our first find here. We got some yucca. Looks like several cuttings. Looks like someone might have run over them or something, but this is an easy one to root from cuttings, so we'll definitely save some of these from the trash. All right, so we got a massive pile here, and most of this stuff we can't plant from cuttings, but we can plant that variegated Schefflera from cuttings. Actually, it looks like it's a whole plant with roots, but we don't have room for it. So Teddy's gonna take a couple cuttings, and we will save those from the trash. All right, y'all, we have a whole kitchen here. This looks like a stove, a dishwasher, and a nice microwave. Sweet. We don't
Let's add it to our golf cart.
I know, we don't have to do all of our cooking by the campfire anymore, clean all the dishes in the river. This is killer. I'm gonna go ahead and throw all this stuff on top of the golf cart, for sure. All right, I don't know how, but Teddy spotted this Song of India here. Show it to him, variegated Song of India. I guess it came off this nice big plant right here. But that is an easy one to root from cuttings, so we will save that from the trash. So here's some plumeria right here. You want to grab that one out, kiddo?
Yeah.
Who knows what color flowers it has? I can see a big plumeria plant right there.
The orange plumeria.
Yeah, that'd be killer.
Because there is an orange one in this.
Yeah, that's an easy one to plant from cuttings though, so we'll save that one for the trash for sure. All right, we got a couple bins of Clusia here. This one's also known as the autograph plant because you can take your fingernail or a nail or screw and write your name on one of the leaves. Can't really see here, but it will stay on the leaf for the life of the leaf.
Yeah.
So let's grab, this is an easy one to plant from cuttings, so it also makes a great privacy hedge in our area. So we will save some of these from the trash for sure. Arr, looks like we have a pool heater here. No more swimming in the cold ocean. Eh, me hearties?
Yeah.
Looks like that one's shot. It's lived its useful life for sure. Okay, looks like we have some mother of millions or mother of thousands and some aloe. We're gonna leave the mother of millions. That's a problem. But Teddy's definitely gonna get this aloe. We use aloe for a lot of stuff.
Yeah, like if you get a sunburn.
Yeah, it's great. Great skincare products. We're definitely gonna take that. Also looks like right here, buddy.
Yeah.
It looks like some ginger. See that root right there?
This?
Yep, I think that's ginger right there.
It looks like shell ginger.
Yeah, it might be, but it has roots, so we will save that from the trash too. All right, y'all, we're lucky because they're building a McDonald's on our route here. Teddy had a good question though. What is it, bud?
Where's the drive-thru?
Yeah, where is the drive-thru?
I think it's on the other side.
You think the drive-thru's gonna be over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, could be. All right, well, we're stoked. We can't wait for the Mickey D's right in our neighborhood. How lucky are we? Well, we found it. There's the drive-thru right there.
Yep.
Sweet. Oh, I can't wait. All right, we just scored some giant Hawaiian pothos, golden pothos. Look at that. It's got roots and everything. This is such a tropical looking vine. Sweet. We will definitely save that from the trash.
It rooted while it was in the pile.
We only need one, kiddo.
Yeah.
One's good enough. All right, sweet. We're definitely going to save that. All right, we're backing up because we just came across some fun right here, I think.
Yeah.
Teddy spotted that ramp right there. You see that little white car? I think I'm going to try and ramp the golf cart up over the car. You ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. Hold on, Teddy. Put your seatbelt on.
Turbo
We're going
boost.
for it. We're going for it. We're going for it. All right, y'all. That didn't turn out very well. The golf cart flipped over, and Teddy and I had to rewrite it.
Yeah.
It's got kind of a limp going now, but we think we can continue to do plant pirates. So we're gonna keep searching all these piles. Okay, we just spotted what looks like some ground orchid. Pull it out, bud. See what it looks like. Yeah, this is an easy one to plant. You can just stick this right in the ground. Oh, this one even has roots. sweet. Oh, there's a lot of it.
Yeah.
All right, excellent. We'll definitely save at least some of this from the trash. All right, here's a refrigerator we can add to the rest of our kitchen appliances.
Yeah.
Excellent.
We can
Oh,
stop
there's some
burying our food in the
Monstera
ground.
leaves there too. What?
We can stop burying our food
Yeah,
in
I know,
the
that'd be
ground.
great. We don't have to store our food like chipmunks anymore. All right, excellent. Looks like a pile of snake plants here with roots. This is one we have kind of a lot of, but it's a nice one. Adds a different texture in the garden, so we will save some of these from the trash for sure. All right, y'all. We're done with the haul today, I think, right?
Yeah.
We're actually doing our outro here in front of this nice stand of Casuarina trees because we have a lot of construction going on next door to our house and it's kind of loud, so we thought it'd be nice to do it here at the park. So let's go ahead and show everybody what we got. What we got.
So first, we've got some snake plant.
Yes, we got the snake plants. I think you got a couple of those, right? Yeah. So this is one we already have. We actually have a couple varieties of this, but this is adds a great different shape and texture to the garden. This is a Dracaena, so I believe you can plant this even without roots, but this one these have roots, so we don't have to worry about
Yeah,
that.
they usually have roots.
They usually do, yeah. All right, what you got next, kiddo?
Variegated Hawaiian pothos.
Yes, we got the giant golden Hawaiian pothos
Variegated
here.
pothos.
Yeah, and this stuff is crazy. It's mildly invasive. I mean, it won't run away from you if you're taking care of your garden, but if it was planted on a empty, like vacant lot, it would take over the lot.
Look, this is what from it being in the pile.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess it sat on the road long enough that it rooted some. These might have been roots when it was ripped off of a tree too or something, but this is just like such a tropical looking vine to add to the garden. You know. All right, what else you got?
Some of these.
Oh yeah, the ground orchid. Yeah, I believe this is a ground orchid, and these had roots on them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, these did. I think we have this one as well. We have, but I only have it in. I have one little bit of it by the hose by our pool, but that's it.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely stoked we got more of this one. Super easy ground cover. Has kind of a variegated leaf. You can't tell here, but it has some purple fringe on it when it gets.
It in, like the sun.
Yeah, or the shade. I don't know. Yeah,
I think it's the shade actually.
it gets some purple to it. So.
Aloe.
Oh yeah, we got aloe. We haven't gotten aloe for a while.
No.
I love it when we find aloe. We use it for, you know, skincare, sunburn.
Yeah, we have some original plants from in Georgia. We have some plants from there that we used to keep forever and ever. And when we brought them down here, they just like exploded.
Yeah, we had them as house plants up in North Georgia, and then we planted them in our yard down here. Now we have tons of them. Tons of them. All right, what you got? What you got? You got plumeria. So we did see what color this was.
It's white.
Yep. Yeah, wah wah. We already have that one. Oh, poor plumeria. No, we'll still plant this though. Such a beautiful
Better than
plant.
yellow.
Why? Just because we have lots of yellow?
Tons of yellow.
The yellow's real fragrant though.
Yeah.
One of the most fragrant
White
ones.
though, white we actually don't have that much of because wedding bouquet is the popular white.
Yeah. The wedding bouquet, the bridal bouquet plumeria might be native to Florida. I'm not sure about that, but it might be. So, all right, what are you swinging around there? What is that? Oh, this is a ginger of some kind.
I think it might be shell ginger.
It's hard to tell right now. Some gingers we can root from cuttings and some we can't. This one obviously has roots, so we don't have to worry about that. Now, what if this was a lobster claw? You never know. Look at his face.
Crazy.
It would be crazy. I don't know. I think it's a ginger, though, of some kind.
Okay, we've got some variegated Schefflera.
Wouldn't be plant pirates without Schefflera.
This has turned into our new every episode plant.
And you know, I said throughout the video here that the stuff that it's all easy to root from cuttings, but that is real easy to root from cuttings. I mean, that is 100% success rate with Schefflera. You got more of it.
Okay, next is the autograph plant. Calusia.
Yes, Calusia. We got Calusia here, the autograph plant.
I'll need to get.
Yet another one you can root from cuttings. If
We got lots of this.
you're new to this, to our episodes here, you probably see the theme. We got to get stuff that we can root from cuttings because most of it's just cuttings. So.
Okay, next we've got some Song of India.
Is that all we got? That one little
yeah.
stick of Song of India. Sorry,
It's real
little stick.
twisty.
It is twisty. This is variegated Song of India. This is about the time of year this would flower. It's probably why there was cuttings out on the road.
And then finally,
You can just leave that in there if you want.
Okay,
So
good.
finally we got this yucca here. This actually, it looks like it got run over, but it still looks like a real nice cutting here. Look how healthy the top looks. That'll rebound just fine. And believe it or not, you can just stick this just right in the ground. You can just stick this, you don't even have to do anything to it, and it will survive. Oh look, there's like a little flower stuck on it.
yeah.
That is definitely not a yucca flower.
No.
Looks like it's bougainvillea, old bougainvillea maybe, I can't tell. And then there's some holly or something. So we got a couple of hitchhikers there. So today we got all green stuff.
Yep.
Me and Teddy were kind of commenting about that. We didn't have a lot of color today, did we?
Green and the variegated yellow.
Yeah.
We got three variegated plants: the pothos,
Yeah.
the Song of India, and the Chevalier.
Yep.
It's actually rare to get non-variegated pothos.
Yeah.
We have one.
It's yeah. Well, what are you most stoked about?
Definitely the orchid or maybe the aloe.
Okay. Yep. I would probably agree with you. I mean, we have both of these, but this one's useful, the aloe.
Now this, if it's lobster claw.
It could be. I don't know. That's the mystery. It's the mystery plant right here. So, all right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the adventure today. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants that we found, just post down below. If you did enjoy the video, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
You're gonna get blown up by the Death Star.
Oh, you're gonna get blown up by the Death Star. Oh my goodness.
Bright lava.
Intergalactic troubles for you if you don't subscribe to our channel. So maybe just consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.